Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Apps. When you're ready, tap on App Lock and choose Turn On in order to activate it. Following that, you need to create your login method. In this case, only pattern is available to lock your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And tap on Next at the bottom right corner. If you want to sign in to your Xiaomi account, you can do that by tapping on green button. If you don't, just click on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now in the pop-up. If you wish to lock all of those apps right away, click on Use App Lock. If you don't, tap on all of them. Check for 0 at the bottom and click on Use App Lock then. In order to set up your fingerprint unlock to unlock your apps, click on Settings. If you don't want to do that, select Cancel. Finally, click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to lock, like YouTube. So when I go back and try to access YouTube app, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from your app, go into exactly the same settings, enter your app lock, and click on the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, to delete app lock completely, click on this gear at the top right corner. Click on this switcher next to app lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!